Welcome to the Daily Forkast, September 29th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forkast News, covering all things blockchain. Well, China's crypto crackdown has a lot of people in the business concerned about legal implications. According to China's PBOC notice, both people and companies providing services to overseas exchanges could be subject to investigation. We're going to take a look at the key issues and more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. First up, the question China's crypto ban has raised for many involved in the business is, are they going to come after me? While we've seen some companies in China react by shutting down their services altogether, concerns remain over just how broad the scope of legal investigations could be. Forkast News' Timmy Shen got the lowdown from some of the top legal minds.
The full legal ramifications of China's crypto ban remain unclear, with many worried about just how far investigations could reach. One expert told Forkast News that while organizations and their employees which facilitate cryptocurrency trading within a country and even individual traders could face penalties, Chinese nationals working overseas may not need to worry so much.
If I put on my sort of thinking cap of the way that Chinese law would operate, then yes, they may be committing a crime, but the odds of them actually facing any penalty for that would be negligible.
However, Haswell says there are concerns the ban could overspill into other jurisdictions, and that those within Hong Kong may be wondering whether it's the best place to be. But URSZULA McCormack of KINO MALLESONS says it remains important to distinguish between mainland China and Hong Kong.
We don't expect to see any change to the current trajectory of the Hong Kong proposals for reforms in relation to implementing a FATF compliant framework for virtual asset services providers.
Meanwhile, David Lesbrance of Lesbrance & Associates told Forkast News the ban is designed as a way of exerting control and that eliminating any competition to the digital yuan is the goal. For Forkast News, I'm Timmy Shan, Taipei, Taiwan.
Meanwhile, over in Korea, the National Assembly has approved a ban on exchange employees trading crypto on their own platform. And hot on the heels of the recent crypto exchange regulations that essentially redefined the industry, who can do business, who can't, the ruling Democratic Party of Korea says it will start examining an independent law for crypto, namely the Virtual Asset Business Rights Act. Forkast News' Danny Park has more on what this all means for investors in Korea.
The Financial Services Commission revealed that the revised regulations were approved at the National Policy Meeting on Tuesday. They include a ban on crypto exchanges trading tokens developed by the operator or an affiliate, and stopping exchange employees from trading crypto on their own platforms. The FSC says this is necessary for investor protection and better transparency, adding that there was already a case last year where an operator manipulated the price of its virtual assets for profit. Meanwhile, an independent virtual asset business rights law is under discussion. Park Wan-ju, chair of the ruling party's policymaking committee, said the committee has started discussions, but lawmaking is not guaranteed, and it will be decided only after the two parties reach an agreement. The new law will focus on defining profit from virtual assets, either as financial income or other miscellaneous income, which will be the determining factor in taxing crypto investors. For Forkast News, I'm Danny Park.
And finally today, let's end on a lighter note here. Got to tell you about a new crypto trading superstar. And he's not your average trader. He's cute, he's furry. Mr. Goxx is in fact a hamster. His anonymous owners broadcast his trading activities via the streaming platform Twitch, with orders placed by him choosing to head through either the buy or sell tunnel. And why is he so popular? Well, like all the best oracle animals, he's been quite successful with his predictions. According to data from media outlet Protos, he's actually outperformed stock markets and even the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. So given he's named after the crypto exchange that suffered one of the largest Bitcoin hacks in blockchain history, Mt. Goxx, it's a show that we're going to keep watching because he's just so damn cute. And that's the Daily Forkast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit Forkast.news. I'm Forkast Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.